So I'm going to take a look at Coca. I've had a couple people ask me about it here. You can see this thing has just been on an upward trajectory for quite a while here. Looking very, very good from 19 cents. The whole way up, just go up to $1.68, right? Not too bad. What is that, like an 8X? Yeah, not too shabby at all. Back here would be start up July 2025. That's when this thing started to the upside. And since then, since July, oh, right over here, it's a 550%. 550% move. That's from the well, because it was down at 12 cents. Actually went the whole way down to 9 cents. Wow. Yeah, and that's something. Made a nice run up through here. Now everybody's wondering, is it going to go higher? Is it going to roll over and reject here? What's going to happen through here, right? Well, one of the main areas to watch here is going to be the 618 and the 702 retracement. Okay, them are typical areas of rejection where the token will get rejected and either roll over or it'll break through and go on to set new highs, right? Now that would be right through here, $1.40 to $1.46. All right, now what's going on in here in the meantime, right? Well, if you're familiar with Elliott waves, what this looks like to me is a five wave to the upside. Oops, I apologize, right up here. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, and this is out on a daily chart. Now, if we take a look at the daily RSI, what's the RSI telling us? Well, the RSI is pulling down. Okay, typically a fourth wave pullback will bring you to a 50% range. All right, so if we zoom in here and we take a Fibonacci and say this pulls back to a 50%. Okay, 50% would put it down here roughly towards $1.15. All right, then we put a line here at the 50% right here. Okay, that's at $1.15. All right, say it pulls back to there for this fourth wave, if that's what it's doing, is 5 waves up. Okay, you never know with crypto, right? Could roll over and just die right here, but normally you get waves. Okay, you get the waves like right down through here. You can count. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 right there. Okay, count 5 waves there. And through here, this is out on a daily. Let's come in a little bit tighter, 12-hour. Let's see, 3, 4, 5. All right, then you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves down right here. They go same way, down as they go up, right? You got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. All right, and that proved to be a bottom in here. And it's marched back up. Now, back to what we were doing over here. If you would, hit that like and subscribe. I'd appreciate it, guys, if you want me to cover this more. And if you're interested in joining our trading group, right now we're in a KASPA long and a Bitcoin long. Come over and join us. I don't think you'll regret it one bit. $15 a month. Come try it for a month. You don't like it, then say the heck with it. But if you're liking it, making money, then stick it out, check it out. All right, now if this pulls down to 15, what would be the target for the fifth wave? All right, well, the way you go for a fifth wave target is you take your top down to your retracement, stop right there. That would give us 1.4186. Okay, for that particular move right there. All right there. Okay, now if we go again and go back to our fib, where's that going to put us as far as the retracement goes, right? Look at that, right up to the 618, $1.50 or $1.40 area, right? That would be your 5 waves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What typically comes after that? A correction, right? This is on a daily, right there, a daily. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If it pulls back the whole way down here to $1.15. None of this is financial advice, guys. Do your own research, please. Not a financial advisor. Your weekly, can't oh yeah, you can see waves here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and we'll see if we get this 5th wave up here. You know, it's hard to say how long this pullback could take. You know, could turn back up and go now. Like I said, you never know, right? Weekly RSI right at the bottom. The monthly, don't have a monthly yet, isn't old enough. The daily, like I said, pulling straight down there. Your 12-hour, and this is more than likely, if it pulls down here, it's going to ABC. So it's going to do something like this. More than likely, right? You'll get A wave down, B wave back up, and then a C wave down. More than likely something like that. I'm going to leave that on there. That very well could happen because you get your 12-hour just about at the bottom. Your 4-hour is at the bottom, okay? And you can see where that 1 hour is at. 1 hour is turning up right now. So very good area to keep an eye on here too. When it's coming back up here, put your fib on here and pull it over. And guys, if you sign up for that level 3 membership, you also get over 10 hours of videos where I teach you how to do this stuff. You get a bunch of videos in there, right? Now, if this comes back up here, if that proves to be a bottom, which we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves down, if this comes back up right in this area and gets rejected, right up in here, it gets rejected, that's your B wave, okay? And with then you'd have your C wave down to the downside here. A, B. See, we'll see what happens here with it, right? I don't know how, you know, on a 4-hour here. Yeah, we'll just see what happens. But if it comes up and breaks through here, if it breaks up through $1.28, $1.30, whatever, you know, then your target's going to be up towards $1.37. You could get that little bit push higher just to hit that 618 up here at $1.40. And $1.37 be the target from here. Could it go 3 more cents? Absolutely, and it could hit that 618. But more than likely, after it does hit this 618 area, you know, if it does, if it gets up there, you know, you're probably a pretty good chance this thing could have a pretty healthy correction after that. Could could bust up through there too, but out on the daily, you know, that would give you 5 waves, and after you have 5 waves, what comes after that? Typically an ABC, a bigger ABC. You get your 5th wave up here, A, B, C, maybe the whole way back down this trend line. See if that trend line holds, right? But we'll see after we get this move here. But I'm expecting another push up. No guarantees with anything here, but that's what I'm looking for. The deeper the correction, the further this 5th wave is going to go. Okay, that's one thing to always keep in mind. The deeper the 4th wave pullback, the higher your 5th wave is going to go. All right, so keep an eye on that, guys. We'll see what happens here right now. Could be starting a push back up. We'll see what happens. It could do 5 waves down here too, you know, in this time frame here. If it gets stopped here at the 382, $1.26, then you're looking at a possible 5 wave down on, you know, the smaller time frames, 4-hour and stuff like that. But I'm looking for probably an ABC to come in here, so we'll keep an eye on that. Thank you so much. Hit that like and subscribe. Come over and join the Discord, guys. Check it out. Learn some stuff. Watch the videos. Learn how to use these tools. And I'll talk to you guys soon. Thanks a lot for watching. I really appreciate it.